up guys? Spyform here. I don't really do these videos often and I don't make them too long, so stay calm.
Oh look. A green fidget spinner in the trash. I wonder if I could give this to Scourge? He is feeling down anyways from moving here. Ayo Scourge. I know that you are still bummed out from going to GoAnimate/VideoPad World, so I brought you this.
Welp. Okay, seems like I could use this now. Man. This is so boring. I wanna go over to Spyform's place.
Scourge. What are you doing here? You're blocking my view of the TV. Wait, what?
Hey Sonic. I'm back and I have something to tell you.
What?
I hit Spyform with my fidget spinner.
Scourge. I spent 2 hours looking for that and you do that? That's IT. You are grounded for 3 weeks. And now I will summon Spyform so he can give you concussion time.
No, please don't do it, Sonic. I am so sorry and I won't ever do this again.
Say all you want, Scourge. But it's concussion time.